Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a multi-column layout form using gravityforms WordPress plugin in WordPress website. So for example, now if I want to add here phone number field next to the email field. So first of all, let's go in website dashboard, and after that here you can go in plugin sections. You can check the installed plugins. Make sure that you have installed this plugin gravityforms. You can get the plugin from the official website gravityforms.com. You can go here and you can check the pricing. So this is the awesome plugin to create any type of contact form. After that you will get option on the left side. Click on forms, and here you can see all of the forms that are created. So click here. Now scroll down, and if you go on the right side, here you can see these are all the fields that you can easily add in your contact form. So for example, now if I want to add phone number field here next to the email field, simply we can use drag and drop functionality. Just you need to drag this field and add here. So here you can see, as like in WP forms, we need to add an additional field that's called layout. But in gravity form there is no need to add any type of additional field. Just you can go with existing field. And for example, if you want to add any field in the next line, then you can simply go here. For example, I want to add this one. Then here you can see this one is a border that indicates the area where we can place a new field. So in this way you can easily work and add new fields in gravity forms. Now simply click here to save form, and let's reload the page. So now here you can see phone number field is added.